Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting your GE Profile PS960YPFS oven panel is a quick process that fixes many common glitches. You might need a reset if the screen freezes or buttons stop responding. First, check if the control lock is active. Locate the button labeled Lock Controls on your panel. Press and hold this button for exactly 3 seconds. You will hear a beep and the lock icon should disappear. If the screen remains stuck, you must perform a hard reset. Go to your home electrical panel or circuit breaker box. Look for the switch labeled Range or Oven. Flip that breaker to the off position. Leave the power off for at least 60 seconds. This allows the internal capacitors to discharge completely. After 1 minute, flip the breaker back to the on position. Return to your kitchen and look at the oven display. The panel will go through a brief startup sequence. You will likely need to reset the clock at this time. Press the clock button and use the number pad to enter the current time. Press Start to save your settings. Test the oven by pressing various menu options to ensure the interface is responsive. If error codes persist after these steps, your control board might need professional service. Most software hangs are resolved by this simple power cycle. Keeping your oven software updated through the SmartHQ app can also prevent future panel freezes. This process clears the temporary memory and restores full functionality to your cooking appliance. You now have a fully functional control panel ready for your next meal. Follow these steps whenever the digital interface acts up.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.